And the race is on. Those west from the outside have burned. Ideal view down on the inside. Don's entry and rushing up speed. Bullet at Snows West, followed by Don's entry, Hepburn, Speed Bullet, and down on the inside, Ideal View, make no mistake, is running in 6 by Darrell, Strong Friend, and Sophia's Fury, rushing up Small Star in the middle, the real thing down on the inside, Elgin Ellen, J. Nicole, and King's Crown is running in 13th. Don's entry, Ideal View. And on the outside, Snows West, Speed Bullet is racing in fourth. And here comes, make no mistake, down on the inside, Hepburn. Rounding the far turn, Ideal View by a neck. Don's entry. And on the outside, Nose West, Speed Bullet. Make no mistake, down on the inside. As they race the final corner, 2 runners fighting for the lead. Ideal View by a length and a half. Don's entry from the outside, Speed Bullet, make no mistake, and Strong Friend, and nearing the finish line, Ideal View by 2 lengths, and finally, Ideal View, Don's entry, Speed Bullet, Strong Friend, make no mistake, and for your Super 6, number 6, Sophia's Fury.